Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to test an oxygen sensor with a multimeter. First, ensure your engine is cool to the touch, as exhaust components can reach hundreds of degrees Fahrenheit. You'll need a digital multimeter, a wiring diagram for your vehicle, and appropriate safety gear like gloves and eye protection. Understanding your oxygen sensor's function is crucial. It measures oxygen in the exhaust to help your engine run efficiently and reduce emissions. Let's get started safely. To begin, locate the oxygen sensor, usually threaded into the exhaust pipe before and after the catalytic converter. Consult your vehicle's service manual or a wiring diagram to identify the sensor's signal and ground wires. Most sensors have 4 wires, 2 for the heater, 1 for the signal, and 1 for the ground. Set your multimeter to the DC voltage range, typically around 20 volts, to accurately measure the sensor's output. Proper identification is key for accurate testing. Now, with the engine running and at operating temperature, carefully backprobe the signal wire and connect the multimeter's positive lead. Connect the negative lead to a good ground point or the sensor's ground wire. Observe the multimeter display. A properly functioning sensor should show a rapidly fluctuating voltage between approximately 0.1 volts and 0.9 volts. These fluctuations should occur several times per second, indicating the sensor is actively switching. If your multimeter shows a slow, flat, or unchanging voltage reading, it often indicates a faulty oxygen sensor that needs replacement. A healthy sensor's voltage should oscillate quickly and consistently. Additionally, you can test the heater circuit by checking its resistance with the multimeter set to ohms. A typical heater circuit resistance falls between 5 and 20 ohms. An open circuit or very high resistance suggests a problem with the heater element, impacting sensor performance. This comprehensive check helps diagnose sensor issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.